Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel where I share with you recipes, tips, and techniques. We're gonna have fun today. We are making sheet pan eggs 3 ways. What? What's great about this recipe is it doesn't matter what your skill level is. There's no fancy sauteing, no fancy knife skills, nothing like that. You just have to chop up ingredients, beat some eggs, boom, you have it. So here are the toppings we're going to use today. Tomatoes and feta cheese, broccoli and cheddar, roasted red peppers with bacon, this is turkey bacon, Parmesan cheese, a little S&P, and some scallions. The combinations you can come up with are numerous, whatever you want, but this is what we're going to be working with today. I'm going to take the eggs and I'm going to pour them into a sheet pan. This is, I would say, about a medium-sized sheet pan. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to liberally sprinkle this with some salt and also with some pepper. Woo! Well, I like a lot of pepper, so I guess this is okay. In our mind, we're going to divide this into 3. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take our tomatoes. We're going to put them on this side, and our feta cheese. Next, I'm going to take our broccoli. We're going to put this in the middle. What's nice about this is there'll be something for everyone. Let's take our cheddar cheese, sprinkle that over our broccoli. Next, I'm going to take our roasted red peppers, and they will be on the other side. And our turkey bacon. I'm going to take some scallions. I think I'm just going to sprinkle scallions all over. I'm also going to put some Parmesan cheese over on this side. All right, we're ready to get our sheet pan eggs into the oven. These will be baking at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. See you in a bit. Look at that. I think it looks delicious. I can't wait to cut into this. So we're going for 9 pieces. So this is a piece of the roasted red pepper and the turkey bacon. Let's try it out. What's wonderful about these sheet pan eggs is you can keep them in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, or, this is what I love, you can freeze them for up to 3 months. So wrap them up individually in saran wrap, plastic wrap, and then just freeze them. Pop them out whenever you need one. Put in the microwave anywhere between 45 seconds to a minute. Instant breakfast. Perfect. Thanks for joining me today as we made these delicious sheet pan eggs. They're simple, they taste delicious, and they store beautifully. So I'd love to hear from you. What combinations would you make? Sky's the limit. If you like this video and you would like to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give it a like, and turn on your notification bell. So again, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.